करुणामय माँ परम प्रभु श्री अरविंद. All of us, we are aware about the four great aspects of the mother. Those four great aspects of the mother are Maheshwari, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati. Apart from these four great aspects, there are 12 attributes of the mother. Those 12 attributes are sincerity, humility, gratitude, perseverance, aspiration, receptivity, progress, courage, goodness, generosity, equanimity, and peace. Out of these 12 attributes, first attribute is sincerity. Today we shall discuss what the mother has told on sincerity. Let us start the discussion. The first thing is not to deceive oneself. One knows one cannot deceive the divine. Even the cleverest of the asuras cannot deceive the divine. But even when one has understood that, one sees that quite often in one's life, in the course of the day, one tries to deceive oneself without even knowing it, spontaneously and almost automatically. One always gives favorable explanation for all that one does, for one's words, for one's acts. That is what happens first. I am not speaking of obvious things like quarreling and saying it is the other one's fault. I am speaking of the very tiny things of daily life. I know a child who knocked against a door and he gave a good kick to the door. It is the same thing. It is always the other one who is in the wrong, who has committed the mistake. Even when you have passed the stage of the child, when you have a little reason, you still give the stupidest of all excuses. If he had not done that, I would not have done this. But it should be just the other way round. This is what I call being sincere. When you are with someone, if you are sincere, instantaneously your way of reacting should be to do the right thing, even when you are with someone who does not do it. Take the most common example of someone who gets angry. Instead of saying things that hurt, you say nothing. You keep calm and quiet. You do not catch the contagion of the anger. You have only to look at yourself to see if this is easy. It is quite an elementary thing, a very small beginning to know whether you are sincere. And I am not speaking of those who catch every contagion, even that of coarse joking, nor of those who commit the same stupidity as the others. I tell you, if you look at yourself with sharp eyes, you will catch in yourself insincerities by the hundred, even though you are trying to be sincere in your general attitude. You will see how difficult it is. To be perfectly sincere, it is indispensable not to have any preference, any desire, any attraction, any dislike, any sympathy or antipathy, any attachment, any repulsion. One must have a total, integral vision of things in which everything is in its place and one has the same attitude towards all things, the attitude of true vision.